Have you ever received a shiny new credit card in the mail and wondered, now what? Well, today, we're diving into the world of EQ Bank and figuring out how to activate your new card. It's simpler than you might think. EQ Bank is a digital bank that's been gaining popularity for its high-interest savings accounts. And with that comes a handy-dandy debit card. But before you can start swiping and spending, you need to activate it. Step-by-step guide. Check your mail. The first step is obvious, but let's make sure we're all on the same page. Look for a letter or email from EQ Bank that contains your card activation code. Visit the EQ Bank website. Head over to the EQ Bank website. You will probably find a link to card activation on the homepage or in the help section. Enter your details. You'll be asked to enter your card number, expiration date, and the activation code you found in your mail. Create a PIN. This is a crucial step. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Confirm your PIN. You will usually be asked to enter your PIN twice to confirm. Activation confirmation. Once you've entered your details correctly and created a PIN, EQ Bank will confirm that your card has been activated. Additional tips. Keep your card safe. Once activated, treat your card like gold. Don't share your PIN with anyone, and be wary of phishing scams. Check your balance regularly. It's a good habit to check your balance online or through the EQ Bank app. This way, you can keep track of your spending and ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. Contact EQ Bank if you have issues. If you encounter any problems during the activation process or have questions about your card, don't hesitate to contact EQ Bank's customer support. Common questions. Can I activate my card through the app? Yes, most banks allow card activation through their mobile app. Check the EQ Bank app for instructions. What if I forget my PIN? If you forget your PIN, you can usually reset it online or by contacting EQ Bank customer support. Can I use my EQ Bank card internationally? Yes, EQ Bank cards are typically accepted worldwide. There may be foreign transaction fees, so check with EQ Bank for details. Activating your EQ Bank card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. With your card activated, you're ready to enjoy the benefits of EQ Bank's digital banking services. So, go ahead and start swiping. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below.